Hi friends, welcome to TechStar channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Intel Rapid Storage Technology Service not working problem in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel. Guys, if you are also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your services. In this, you search IP translation configuration services. You can see here IP translation configuration services. Right click on this, click on properties. If here select manual on startup type, then click here, select here automatic, then click on start, click on apply, click on OK. Close this window. After doing this, restart your PC and laptop fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.